200,000 visas on the chopping block. A Supreme Court justice calling her own court's election ruling a Kafkaesque nightmare, and a trade war with Canada heating up over cars. That's today, in one place. Stay to the end. The last one hits your wallet. This would be the largest mass visa revocation in American history. The Trump administration is preparing to revoke business and tourism visas from up to 200,000 migrants who have applied for or are currently seeking asylum in the United States. That's according to the Associated Press, which reported Monday that the State Department is expected to carry it out on a rolling basis rather than all at once. Here's what matters. These are people who entered legally on a valid visa and then filed for asylum. Pulling the visa strips that underlying legal status while their claim is still pending. Watch for legal challenges, and watch whether the rolling rollout starts quietly. Reported by The Hill. A sitting Supreme Court justice just accused her own colleagues of creating a Kafkaesque nightmare. On Monday, the court lifted a block on President Trump's mail-in voting executive order, clearing the way for it to take effect. Ketanji Brown Jackson, the court's junior liberal justice, excoriated the majority, writing that the decision needlessly injects chaos into this year's elections. She said it lets another shoe drop in what she called the Kafkaesque nightmare. The court's precedents have been steadily building for certain plaintiffs. Why you should care? Mail-in ballots are how millions of Americans vote, and the rules are shifting with an election calendar already running. Expect confusion at the state level. Reported by The Hill. The trade war between the United States and Canada is escalating, and cars are the battleground. President Donald Trump has threatened to hike tariffs on autos after Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney vowed to retaliate against existing American measures. That's the BBC's reporting. Understand the stakes here. The North American auto industry is deeply integrated. Parts and vehicles cross the border repeatedly before a car is finished. Tariffs on that traffic don't stay abstract. They land on sticker prices, on plant schedules, and on assembly line jobs on both sides of the border. What's next? Whether Carney follows through on retaliation, and whether Trump's threatened hike becomes an actual rate. Reported by the BBC. That was the day. Visas, the court, and the border trade fight, all in one place. A fresh collection drops tomorrow. Which one hits you hardest? Tell me below, and hit like and subscribe.